Hey, what's up, Sylvia? My name is Devin Norton from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak to me earlier today, and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to really briefly show you how to improve your website so you can start bringing more customers in. You're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you, and it's really simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all of their time running their business, taking care of their customers, doing the things they're supposed to do. They don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who's not. And so I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of these business owners still end up calling me back going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of all this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and I can do some real good for your business. Just give me a call and we can chat. If you want to take this free information and apply it yourself, that's okay too. This is free education. I'm going to briefly show you how to make your website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and then how to get ranked in your local map hack rankings. But let's start by looking at your website to begin with. So, got some call to actions, got a lot of photos. This is a great looking website. I do like how clean it is. I like all the photos you've got going on here. As humans, we're visual creatures, so it really helps secure business by having all those photos, especially photos of your van. The discounts up here is really nice. Now, our goal is to get people to the website so they can actually see those discounts that are going on. And the first step you're going to want to do that is you're going to want to own the website yourself. So right now, this is a free Google site. You don't have as much customization through doing that, and you also cannot rank it the same way. So I would it's only $12 a month. $12 a year. It's even cheaper than that. $12 a year. It's like $1 a month to get your own URL, and it could be the exact same one, Myers-Repair-Services, but that way you can start to rank it, okay? Now, if you want to look at what happens when you rank it, you have AA Plumbing SA right here. These guys bring in a ton of content a ton of business because they're number one when you type in Plumbing San Antonio. So what Google does is when somebody types in Plumbing San Antonio, their goal is to put that person in front of the website that's going to answer all their questions, which is the website that has the most content, okay? So the average website on the front page of Google right now has 1,890 words. What is going on? There you go. 1,890 words. So what that means for you is you're going to probably want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your page. And these guys, they have a bit of content, but they don't have that much. So you're going to easily blow them out of the water doing that. And content is king in this industry. So that'd be step one. Also, whatever your images are saved as does count as content. So instead of Myers Plumbing, or let's see what this is saved as. Let's say it's saved as an unnamed. You want to say that as like Plumbing San Antonio, so it helps you rank for that, okay? After that, once you make your website an authority, you need to make it trustworthy. And Google determines that by looking at how many other websites are linking to you. Because in a way, it's like that website vouching for you. But they want to see relevant links. So they want to see like other plumbing companies linking to you, not Pizza Hut linking to you. You're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. It says your website has got its first link back in May of 2019. It dropped off. You got another link back in July. Currently sitting at one link. All right. That's good. There's a lot of plumbers out there that don't even have a website, let alone a website with links. If you want to know what you're going to have to take out to go to AA Plumbing SA, they have 172 websites pointing to them. So what you're going to want to do is beat them. I would say to get about 180, 190. And the best way to do that is to copy them. Go see what links they have and go try to get them for yourself. So usaplumbing.info, ream.com, you just go to these websites. You either click like join as a pro or make an account, or there's a contact us button, something like that. And you can just go and find a pro, something like that, and get these links pointed at you. Because if you do have the proper content and you have the proper backlink profile, you take out their traffic. They have 1.3 thousand people going to their website every month, and that's for free. Imagine if you had that. So you definitely want to get that content on your page, and you definitely want to get those websites pointing to you. After that, when somebody types in Plumbing San Antonio and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first plumber that shows up that seems trustworthy. You want to be that plumber. Those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time. It could be from bad experiences in the past, or they just have ad blockers. And so where you want to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map hack section. To get here, it requires having more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all the most common ones. The best strategy here is to figure out what directory your competitors are listed in. Go list yourself in those exact same directories, but then add a bunch more on top. So like if Blue Frog here is in 150 directories, put yourself in like 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you, Sylvia. I hope you found this really informative. As a quick recap, to make your website more of an authority, you need to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on that front page, and make sure you have exact match keywords in there, such as like the actual words Plumbing San Antonio somewhere on your site. You're also going to want to have more links than these guys, so I'd recommend getting like 180 to 200 websites pointing to you. and then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than your competitors. Just make sure it's spelled the same way across the internet. Sylvia, if you want to take this information and apply it yourself, please do. This is completely free education. I'm trying to see as many business owners as I can thrive. I would just really appreciate some feedback. If you could send me back just one sentence as a response to the email, let me know if you thought this was valuable info. And if you want to continue running your business and you don't want to have to worry about taking care of your marketing needs, you can always reach out to us as well through email by asking for some more info, or give us a call. Our phone number is at the bottom of the email. It's 214-441-6737. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to look at this video, and I hope to hear back from you very soon. Thank you, Sylvia. Have a great day.